Unveiling the Mystery. What does blow snow really mean? Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, blow snow. If you're picturing someone with a snowblower or a gusty winter day, you might be in for a surprise. Stay tuned to find out what this phrase actually means in everyday English. When we hear the words blow and snow together, our minds naturally imagine a snowy scene with wind or a person clearing snow. Literally, to blow can mean to expel air through the mouth or to move and create currents of air, while snow is the soft, white flakes that fall from the sky during winter. But is that all there is to it? Let's dig deeper. As with many English phrases, blow snow has a figurative meaning. When someone uses this phrase idiomatically, they're not talking about weather at all. In slang terms, to blow snow means to boast or exaggerate one's abilities or achievements. It's similar to tooting your own horn or blowing smoke. Why snow, you might ask? Because just like a blizzard can obscure your vision, someone who blows snow is trying to obscure the truth with their grandiose claims. Now, let's see how to use blow snow in everyday conversation. I can always tell when Kevin's about to blow snow. He starts talking about his high school football days like he was a pro player. During the job interview, I felt like the candidate was just blowing snow to impress us. His experience didn't seem to match his stories. There are several expressions related to blow snow that you might find interesting. Blow smoke, to deceive or intentionally mislead. All talk and no action, someone who talks a lot about doing something but never does it. Blowing hot air, making claims or boasting without being able to back it up. And that, dear viewers, is the scoop on blow snow. It's a colorful way to describe someone who might be a bit too good at telling tall tales. We hope you found this explanation enlightening and that it adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with new discoveries at every turn. So keep exploring and never stop learning. Catch you in the next video.